Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about golden hour in photography. I got a reference from the Wikipedia. In photography, the golden hour is the period of daytime shortly after sunrise or before sunset, during which daylight is redder and softer than when the sun is higher in the sky. But the thing is, we have bluish sky in the morning and we have reddish sky in the afternoon, and we have to take that into our consideration before taking any photos, because we cannot make that much change to our artwork after we're taking photos in different times. We also need to know what it looks like to take photo in the golden hour. We have sunlight at its lower position, so what we see just to have the sun brightening from somewhere, that we don't see any shadow below the nose, below the cheek. But we have that if we're taking photo when the sun is higher in the sky. And we also have depth of field when we take photo in the golden hour. But some people want to take photo between these two time, and we should have some sort of ND filter to just reduce the amount of light that goes through the lens. And we also need to make it looks like it got a depth of field. But what we're gonna do if we're gonna make a depth of field to our artwork, it's not that hard, but it's not that easy. We need to have some sort of flashlight flashing from somewhere near an object, or we can use strobe light, we can use continuous light. We just have to try to make it looks like it got a depth of field. So these are things that we need to take it into our consideration before making any artwork for our project.